If I could just go like this, if I could, and my hair be combed, then I would. But hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today it's wash day, but I don't want to do it. Honestly, I know it sounds bad, I know, but don't have the patience, but just don't have it right now. So as I was sitting down mentally preparing for wash day, I was on TikTok, and almost as if TikTok was reading my mind, like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Google. This video from Lyric came up on my For You page.
I'm Lyric, and usually my hair looks like this, but what did I do? I changed it! Keep in mind it's usually like 4B, 4C, so this was a feet. So I didn't feel like re-showering, re-detangling like everything, so I basically just combed out what was already done. The process I was feeling like a cute.
That's the main part of the video. That's all I needed to hear for me to decide to follow along with this tutorial.
So I didn't feel like re-showering, re-detangling like everything, so I basically just combed out what was already done.
So I'm going to be following along with her tutorial, and just like she did, I'm not going to be starting on freshly washed hair. Alright, let's see what she actually did with her non-freshly washed hair.
So I didn't feel like re-showering, re-detangling like everything, so I basically just combed out.
I mean, it does look like her hair was flat iron.
Wait, Lyric, how'd you get your hair like that in the first place? Take your blow dryer on medium heat and low fan.
So I think she's saying that she only blow dried her hair to get it that straight looking. My hair would never.
Now that I'm looking like I dated the moon, we're gonna start sectioning. Now you're gonna take those sections and you're gonna twist them to the very last strand, and then you're gonna twist them into bantu knots. A lot of people thought that I was using like rods to curl my hair, but honestly, those don't work for shit because my hair is too curly. Now you're gonna sit and wait to be compared to Kodak, and the next morning you just take them out. I realize that I look like I'm extremely heavy-handed, but that's just how my hair works. So please do not just rip that shit out of your head. Do not go ham. Just separate it, just floof it, just pick it out, you know? Do not comb all the way through your hair or the curls will be lost. That's the entire point of having such defined curls. After you're done reversing your genetic code, just go on ahead and have a nice day.
Because her hair was well straightened before, I can see how her results turned out so shiny and sleek. It makes sense. But am I gonna straighten my hair? No. But come on, it wouldn't be my first time trying out a hairstyle from a straight hair tutorial. I'm just gonna pick up from the part where she actually just detangled each section of her hair and installed the twist and the bantu knots. Yeah. And let's see how that turns out. So the thing with starting on hair that is not freshly washed is that my hair is dry. So I'm just gonna moisturize my hair with a little water. It's just pure water. This is what we're going to use at first because, you know, we don't want to be handling dry hair. That will cause breakage. Gonna add my curling cream. Already that's detangled. Seriously, just a little spray of water makes a whole lot of difference, okay? Now I'm gonna add a little curling mousse. And I'm doing pretty big sections. Would you call this big? Or like medium sections.
Twist them to the very last strand, and then you're gonna twist them into bantu knot.
No. now to just twist it up in a bantu knot. So just basically twist the hair on top of itself. And just to elaborate on how justified I feel on starting on non-freshly washed hair, from past experience I know that bantu knots take forever to dry. So starting on non-soaking wet hair might be the best thing. So I normally do a side part, but since I did my last video, I really am feeling that center part look. Yeah, I think I might do a center part. What did the lyric do? Damn! You guys notice her undercut? I feel like you have to have a certain swagger. Like, you have to exude coolness to be able to rock an undercut. I know I couldn't do it. Anyway. Okay. So she did a center part. So it's just fitting I do one too.
Twist them to the very last strand, and then you're gonna twist them into bantu knot.
By the way, in Jamaica we call these shiny bumps. Don't ask me why. But honey, I haven't seen my hair in shiny bumps for a really long time, and I'm kind of liking it. I might be keeping my hair like this for a while. See you in a few days. So my hair should be completely dry by now. Let's cross our finger and hope. Baby. Baby.
If you've been enjoying this video and you haven't skipped a thing, answer this question to be featured in my next intro.
Okay. So I don't usually like mixing my curl patterns. You know what I mean? Like doing a twist and a bantu knot. It's like, it's two different curl patterns and you're mixing them. I don't usually like that. Except that one time. But I can feel some of the curls around the back really starting to frizz up because it still had some moisture in them. But ignore those, okay? Ignore those. What's done is done.
It is what it is. It is what it is.
Ooh, it's getting big. It's getting big. Definitely not a twist out and not a bantu knot out. It's like a stretched bantu knot out. It's definitely a hybrid. Ah! Because the front curls got so tight, it's almost like bangs. Oh boy, what? Man, overall, it's a vibe. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did. Seriously, scroll down and press the thumbs up button. Really not taking much out of you. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, that's understandable, we just met. So let's get more acquainted with each other, and I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards so you can go watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then after like the second or the third video, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy the content here and it just makes sense you subscribe. Come on, you can't just sit down through all of my video like that and then just not even subscribe? Just use me like that? Who raised you? Okay, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later! Mwah.